Hello everyone, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates. So at first let's open list of all apps, then open the settings, now find and select about phone, then locate software information and tap 7 times on build number, not baseband version. Then try unlock pattern. And from now on, you've got access to developer mode. So let's go back now, scroll a bit lower, and here you've got developer options. Open them, and now here you've got auto update system. So all you have to do is to use this switcher, and from now on, updates will be applied automatically whenever device restarts. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.